What if the secret to softer bread, smoother cake batter, and stress-free baking isn't your recipe, but your mixer? Today, we're revealing the top 7 best stand mixer for bakers to help you avoid weak motors, messy mixing, and wasted money. Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on every mixer featured today. At number 7 is Cuisinart 5.5 Quart. A mixer can look beautiful on the counter and still disappoint the moment thick dough hits the bowl, but the Cuisinart Mixer 5.5 Quart delivers a completely different experience from the very first batch. Its 500-watt motor and solid die-cast metal construction create the kind of steady mixing that instantly makes baking feel smoother and less stressful. Cookie dough, bread mixtures, whipped cream, and cake batter all come together with impressive consistency thanks to the 12-speed precision control. That flexibility is exactly why it earns attention in conversations around top 7 best stand mixer for bakers searching for reliable everyday performance. The tilt-back head and splash guard simplify ingredient adding, while the optional attachments open the door to homemade pasta, ice cream, and more. Compared with the other, it offers slightly fewer attachment choices overall, but often feels more budget-friendly for serious home bakers. The result is a mixer that brings comfort, control, and creative energy back into the kitchen every single time baking. On number 6 is KitchenAid Artisan 5 Quart. Some kitchen tools get replaced after a few years, but the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart feels like the kind of machine that becomes part of family traditions. The solid zinc and stainless steel construction creates an immediate sense of durability the moment the mixer starts working through thick dough or silky cake batter. That reliability matters because many bakers struggle with weak mixers that wobble, overheat, or leave ingredients unevenly mixed. Here, the motion feels smooth, controlled, and surprisingly satisfying. The 5-quart capacity handles everything from weekend cookie batches to homemade bread without making the process feel overwhelming. That balance of size, strength, and versatility is exactly why it constantly appears in conversations around top 7 best stand mixer for bakers searching for long-term kitchen value. Compared with compact mixers like others, it takes more counter space and costs more upfront, but the stronger build quality, attachment compatibility, and dependable mixing performance create a baking experience that feels rewarding every single time the bowl starts turning. At number 5 is ZACME 8.4 Quart. Most bakers don't realize how exhausting small batch mixing becomes until they finally use a machine built for serious volume, and the ZACME 8.4 Quart mixer 800 watts makes that difference feel dramatic from day one. Thick sourdough, pizza dough, massive cookie batches, and whipped frosting move effortlessly through the huge stainless steel bowl without the motor sounding strained or unstable. The 800 watts DC motor paired with 11 speed settings creates a smooth, controlled mixing experience that feels far more professional than most home mixers. That combination of power and capacity is exactly why it keeps appearing in conversations around top 7 best stand mixer for bakers handling large recipes or frequent baking sessions. The LED timer display adds another layer of convenience by reducing constant checking and interruptions during prep. Compared with the others, it offers far greater capacity and quieter operation, though it naturally demands more storage space. Still, the stable planetary mixing, commercial-grade durability, and calmer low-noise performance create a baking routine that feels faster, cleaner, and surprisingly satisfying every single time. At number 4 is Taladad 6-7 Quart. A single messy flour explosion can ruin the joy of baking in seconds, but the Taladad Mixer's Bowl 6-7 Quart accessory quietly fixes a frustration most bakers simply tolerate. While exploring the top 7 best stand mixer for bakers, this clever KitchenAid-compatible splash shield stood out for turning chaotic mixing into a cleaner, smoother experience. The wraparound pouring shield keeps lightweight ingredients contained, making bread dough, cake batter, and whipped cream preparation feel far less stressful. The large angled chute helps add ingredients without awkward spills, especially during fast mixing sessions. Compared with generic splash guards, the Taladad design feels more secure and thoughtfully engineered for serious home bakers. The food-grade material also adds peace of mind during everyday use. The only downside? It's designed specifically for 6-7 quart stainless steel bowls. Still, for bakers tired of flour clouds and countertop messes, this small upgrade feels surprisingly transformative. On number 3 is Martha Stewart 5.3 quart. Some mixers sound powerful until thick cookie dough exposes their weakness in under 2 minutes. That's where the Martha Stewart 5.3 quart stand mixer changes the experience for home bakers searching through the top 7 best stand mixer for bakers. The 12-speed control feels surprisingly refined, giving you smooth transitions from delicate whipped cream to dense bread dough without the harsh jerking cheaper mixers often create. Its 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl easily handles family-sized batches, while the silicone edge beater reduces annoying bowl scraping during mixing. The tilt head design also saves time when adding ingredients mid-recipe. Compared with bulkier commercial mixers, this model fits smaller kitchens beautifully without sacrificing performance. The splash shield keeps countertops cleaner, which becomes a huge relief during messy baking nights. The only trade-off is that extremely heavy dough can slightly challenge the motor at higher loads. Still, this mixer brings warmth, convenience, and effortless rhythm back into everyday baking. At number 2 is Hamilton Beach 4 quarts. Most beginner bakers don't quit because they lack talent, they quit because weak mixers turn every recipe into a frustrating workout. The Hamilton Beach Mixer 4 quarts brings relief to that problem with a surprisingly capable design that earns attention in conversations around the top 7 best stand mixer for bakers. Its planetary mixing action reaches every corner of the bowl, helping cookie dough, cake batter, and bread mixtures blend evenly without constant scraping. The slow start speed is especially helpful, preventing flour explosions that usually cover the kitchen in seconds. Unlike some oversized mixers that dominate small countertops, this model feels practical, lightweight, and easy to store with its built-in handle. The included whisk, dough hook, and splash guard also add genuine everyday value. Heavy artisan dough can still push the 300-watt motor near its limit, but for casual bakers wanting reliable performance without overspending, this mixer quietly transforms stressful baking nights into something enjoyable again. Now moving to the last one is Kourice 6.5 quart. A loud mixer can ruin the peaceful joy of baking faster than a failed recipe, but the Kourice 6.5 quart mixer feels surprisingly calm even while powering through thick bread dough. That balance of strength and quiet performance is exactly why it deserves attention among the top 7 best stand mixer for bakers. The pure copper motor handles dense pizza dough and cookie batter with steady torque, while the under 55 decibels operation keeps the kitchen peaceful during long mixing sessions. Its 63-point planetary mixing system also solves a common frustration by reaching ingredients stuck along the bowl edges without constant stopping and scraping. Compared with cheaper mixers that wobble under pressure, the stainless steel body and non-slip base feel far more secure and refined. The only downside is its slightly larger footprint for compact kitchens. Still, for bakers craving smoother mixing, quieter operation, and reliable batch performance, this mixer turns demanding recipes into genuinely satisfying moments. Winner is the KitchenAid Artisan 5 quart stand mixer. It stands out for durability, smooth performance, and consistent mixing power. It handles everything from light whipping to heavy dough with ease. Compared to others, it offers better stability, quieter operation, and long-term reliability. Its iconic design, strong motor, and attachment versatility make it a smart investment for any home baker who wants professional results in everyday baking at home kitchens. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best stand mixer for bakers. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.